For today's video guys, meron akong i-unboxing. One of my orders guys. Ayan, a 3-in-1 bikinis. 3-in-1 ano guys. Uh, 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 very nice bikinis. So let's go. Let's open this. Ayan guys. A 3-in-1. Ayan, i-order guys because ayan, nagandahan ako guys. Nabudol na naman ako guys sa aking pag-order. Ayan, 3-in-1 bikinis for only ayan, 250 pesos. So I order it. And then dumating na siya guys. And look, ayan guys, the black color. I really love it. Tada! Look guys. One of my fashion. I really love it guys. Yeah. Di ba ang ganda niya guys? Ang ganda. I really love it. Pack na pack siya guys. Yung ating black color. One of my favorite color guys. Yung black. Black color. And then the next guys. Next natin. Yan, ito yung mga in-order ko guys. The red color. I really love it. Look guys, oh. Ayan. Ayan, sa murang halaga lang guys. Ayan, may pangrampa na naman ako. Ayan, because I really love fashion guys. Ayan, the red color. I love it so much. And guys, I'm so excited to fit this guys. Ayan ang ganda niya. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. I really love it. Pack na pack siya. Ayan, I'm so happy guys. I'm so happy of my orders. Ayan, I'm so happy because, ayan, it's very nice guys. I like it so much. Ayan, the green color naman guys. Ayan, one of my favorite color. Ayan. Charan! Di ba ang ganda? I really love it. Pack na pack siya, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy of my orders, guys, because it's very cheap. Ayan. Ayan. Abot kaya sa aking bulsa, guys. I really love it. So, ayan. May pangrampa na naman ko, guys. And this is my fashion. Ayan. My fashion, guys. My likes. Ayan. I really love this, guys. The bikinis. Ayan, one of my fashion, guys. Swimsuits and bikinis. I really love it, guys. Ayan, these are my favorite color. Ayan, a red color, a black color, and green color. I love also a maroon color, guys. Maroon color and also yellow, pink. Ayan, that are my favorite colors, guys. So, ayan, I'm so happy of my order. I hope you enjoy my videos, guys. And if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, guys. Watch my videos. You can also avail a membership on my channel, and you can also uh send me a super thanks gift if you like my video. So that's it for today, guys. Charan! I wanna fit this. Ayan, I'm so excited to fit this, guys. So that's it for today.